Morning sir, good morning classmate. So facts of the case summary what happened here. Some students were performing experiment on oxidation of cyclohexanol to cyclohexanone using quick fit apparatus. The accident happened when a group of students were assembling quick fit apparatus to a retort stand using buses and clamps. Due to the incorrect use of buses, bus head, a clamp loosened and a plus containing the reaction mixture dropped onto the bench. Some of the mixture which contained cyclohexanol with sodium dischromate and sulfuric acid splashed onto the eye of a girl student. The student was wearing contact lenses but not a spectacles or glass, safety glass. Yeah, ganun, safety glass. Through the class had been instructed to wear safety spectacle in the lesson. The teacher and laboratory technician immediately washed the student's eyes with water. The contact lens were removed, as a student did not report this discomfort in her eye. The school had not sent girl to, or hindi dinala yung student sa hospital dahil para sa treatment, but in-advise na lang to seek medical consultation should there be any discomfort in her eye. The student went to private clinic after and found that her eye suffered no injury. Describe the cause of the accident here. Dahil sa incorrect use of ng equipment, kaya nangyari yung accident na yon, dahil sa incorrect use of bus head and the clamp loosened and plus the containing the reaction mixture dropped onto the bench. Some of the mixture will flash on the eye of a girl student. Describe how they solved the accident here. The teacher and the laboratory technician immediately washed the student's eye with water. The contact lenses were removed. The girl was advised to seek medical consultation should there been a discomfort in her eye. So yun, pumunta yung sa malapit na private clinic. What I recommend here, how to prevent the accident from occurring again. Wearing safety spectacle would made the girl away from accident. Yun, tama. Kasi kailangan na, bago tayo pumasok ng laboratory, dapat alamin natin yung mga safety precaution, yung mga dapat na isuot, mga safety equipment bago ka pumasok sa loob ng laboratory. Tapos alam mo din dapat kung ano yung mga gamit kung ano yung mga use ng mga gamit doon, yung mga equipment pala, kung ano yung mga dapat gawin doon. Tapos i-double check mo lagi para maiwasan yung kagaya nito, incorrect use of bus head. Kaya yun, nagkaroon ng incidents na yung babae nalagyan ng chemical sa mata.